Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel with another interesting video. I'm so excited to share this one because I know how frustrating it can be to work in a messy, cluttered space. If your home office feels unorganized, cramped, or just not working for you, you're not alone. A cluttered workspace isn't just a mess. It can seriously affect your focus, slow down your productivity, and even make work feel more stressful than it needs to be. But don't worry. Today, I've got 10 super easy, practical, and budget-friendly ways to declutter and organize your home office. Whether you have a small desk or an entire room dedicated to work, these tips will help you create a clean, organized, and inspiring workspace where you can be more productive and actually enjoy working. Minimalist design is not about sacrificing comfort, but instead creating spaces that foster calm and clarity while remaining practical and aesthetically pleasing. So, grab a cup of coffee, take a deep breath, and let's get started. 1. The Big Reset. Clear out the clutter. Before organizing, you need to clear the clutter. Many of us hold on to things we don't actually need, which makes our workspace feel cramped. Old papers, broken gadgets, tangled cords, and random office supplies pile up over time, making it harder to stay organized. Start by removing everything from your desk, shelves, and drawers. When you see your space empty, you'll realize how much room you actually have. Now create 3 piles. Keep essential items you use regularly. Donate things in good condition that you don't need anymore. Trash anything broken, outdated, or unnecessary. A fresh, clean slate makes it easier to set up an organized system that actually works. 2. Keep your desk clean and simple. Your desk is the heart of your home office, so keeping it minimal and clutter-free is key. Only keep essential items on top, like your computer, a notepad, a pen holder, and maybe a small plant for a fresh vibe. Use drawer organizers to store office supplies like paper clips, sticky notes, and extra pens. If you tend to collect a lot of random items, use small storage boxes to keep things neat. A clear desk helps you focus better and makes your office feel more spacious. 3. Use vertical space. Maximize storage with shelves. If you're short on space, the best way to organize your office is to go vertical. Instead of stacking things on your desk, install floating shelves or use a bookshelf to store books, files, and office supplies. Here's how to keep shelves tidy. Use decorative storage boxes for small items. Organize books by category or color for a neat look. Store frequently used items within arm's reach. Using vertical space clears up room on your desk while keeping everything easily accessible. 4. Tame the cable chaos. Messy cables can make even the cleanest office look cluttered. Instead of letting wires tangle all over your desk, use cable organizers to keep them in place. Some easy ways to manage cables. Use zip ties or Velcro straps to bundle cords together. Get a cable management box to hide power strips. Use clips or adhesive hooks to keep wires from dangling. If possible, switch to wireless accessories like a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Less wiring means a cleaner, more organized workspace. 5. Label everything. No more searching. How much time do you waste looking for things in your office? A simple fix is to label everything so you always know where things are. Label ideas. Folders and binders for important documents. Storage bins and drawers for office supplies. Cables and chargers to avoid confusion. Using a label maker or sticky notes can make a big difference in keeping your office tidy and efficient. 6. Go paperless. Digital organization for less clutter. Paper clutter is one of the biggest problems in home offices. Instead of letting stacks of documents pile up, go digital whenever possible. Ways to reduce paper clutter. Scan important documents and save them on your computer or cloud storage. Use a file organizer for must-keep papers. Unsubscribe from junk mail and switch to digital billing. If you need to keep physical copies, use a filing system with clearly labeled folders to prevent paperwork from getting out of control. 7. Smart storage. Use bins, baskets, and drawer dividers. Small office supplies like chargers, sticky notes, and extra pens can make your space feel messy. The best way to keep them organized is with storage bins and baskets. Here's how to use them effectively. Keep everyday essentials in easy-to-reach containers. Store rarely used items in labeled bins on shelves. Use drawer dividers to keep things from getting jumbled together. Choosing storage that matches your office decor keeps everything looking clean and stylish. 8. The 5-minute rule. Daily cleanup to stay organized. A little daily maintenance can stop clutter from building up again. Before you leave your office, spend just 5 minutes tidying up. Throw away trash and unnecessary papers. Put everything back in its place, wipe down your desk and keyboard. This simple habit keeps your workspace clean and saves you from big decluttering sessions later. 9. Add a personal touch, but keep it minimal. A clean office doesn't have to feel boring. Adding a few personal touches can make your workspace feel inviting without creating clutter. Here are some best ideas. A small plant to bring in a fresh, natural feel, a vision board or framed quotes for motivation, a desk lamp with warm lighting for a cozy atmosphere. The key is to keep decorations simple and meaningful so your office stays clean and distraction-free. 10. Create a productivity corner. Stay inspired. If you have the space, set up a productivity corner, a small, comfortable area where you can brainstorm, read, or take a break. How to set up a productivity corner. Use a comfortable chair and a side table. Keep a notebook or planner handy for ideas. Add a calm and cozy touch, like soft lighting or a small rug. Having a dedicated spot for creative thinking helps improve focus and prevents burnout. Bonus tip: improve your lighting for better focus. Good lighting makes your office look better and feel better. If your space feels dark, try these easy fixes. Place your desk near a window for natural light. Use a desk lamp with warm lighting to reduce eye strain. Add fairy lights or LED strips for a soft, cozy glow. Better lighting can boost your mood and energy, making it easier to stay focused and productive. Final thoughts. Decluttering and organizing your home office doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. With just a few simple changes, you can transform your workspace into a clean, efficient, and inspiring area where you can focus and be productive. The key is to remove what you don't need, organize what you keep, and create a system that's easy to maintain. Remember, a tidy office isn't just about looks. It helps you think more clearly, work more efficiently, and even feel less stressed. Small habits, like tidying up for 5 minutes daily or labeling your storage, can make a huge difference over time. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy organizing! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.